Hey, what's going on, Lincoln community? Hopefully you're enjoying your April vacation in March, despite our current conditions. But my name is Michael Orsini. I teach phys ed, health, and CPR at the high school. I've been a veteran teacher here about 19 years now. And I got the email from administration asking if we had any sort of resources that we would like to share with our community to try and maybe help us out in this time as far as delivering our classes and lessons online. This program here is called Screencastomatic. I've been using it for about 2 years now. I absolutely love it. It's dirt cheap. It's actually free. But if you want to use the video editor, then it's like a dollar change per month. I'm going to walk you through it really fast. If you can use it, that's fine. If not, no big deal. Just delete this video. So this here is my main screen. What this does is it actually shares my current screen with whomever wants to view it, and I can record it. So I can use PowerPoint, Google Slides, Prezis, anything that your browser can actually show. You can record and you can facilitate anything that you want with this here. Good for like long-term absences for kids if they're going to be out of school, or you just want to record your presentation and have it on there for an additional resource. So these three buttons down the bottom over here, you can see my cursor right here. I've got you can toggle between your view, which puts you up in front. You can do just your screen view and then just a little small view of yourself on the side here. And you can make this big or small. You can position it any way you actually want. It doesn't really matter at all. Or you can just go totally screen, and now you should be seeing just my screen. But here I am again. So what you can do here, like I said before, is this is your screen, and you can do a presentation. So say I'm in here, and this is what they see. So you can walk them right through this here, the entire presentation, and go as you may. And then if you want to stop, you can pause it right down here. Hit that pause button. Say you messed up at all, you can hit that pause button, take a breath, and go right back into it again. Super easy to use. If you have your own laptop, you can use that. You probably get better picture quality if you use a better webcam than that comes with a Chromebook, but it doesn't really matter. You can use a Chromebook as well. I use my Chromebook all the time with this here. It won't be as clear as this because I have an HD webcam, but for the most part, it does the job, right? So phenomenal resource. You can check it out. What you can do too, and I'll show you here. We'll go back over here again. You can escape it, and then you can get your web browser back. This is the actual website. It's called screencastomatic.com. Solo plans $1.65 per month, and that gives you access to the video editor, which is really great. It's easy to use. I use it all the time. And you can add all sorts of different frills to your videos, or you can just keep it basic and simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this here. I'm going to hit stop record, which if I do that with you right now, you won't be able to see what I'm going to be doing. But I'm going to hit stop record, and then I'm going to hit publish. And you can either save this to your desktop, or you can save it to your Google Drive, or you can just upload it right to YouTube, which is what I'm going to do, and then just copy and paste this link in the email that I'm sending out to administration. Hopefully this works out for you, and if it doesn't, then just, like I said, just dismiss this here. But I've been using this for a really long time, and it works out well. There are other programs you can use as well. I know Screencastify is definitely one of them. I just like this one. And it works, and it's like I said, it's free and it's easy. So okay, hopefully you're doing well. Stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Ciao.